Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I have another lithium play here. I already covered a couple lithium plays earlier today. You'll want to check those out in the library. But this one is E3 Metals Corp. This one I've had on my list. Ticker is EEMMF. Trades over the counter, so if you're looking to trade this one, I recommend Fidelity. If you can't get it there, check TD Ameritrade. Again, this is E3 Metals Corp. It's a petroleum lithium company, develops petroleum lithium brine projects in Alberta. It holds interests in 74 metallic and industrial mineral permits, covering an area of approximately 587,665 hectares. The company is headquartered in Calgary, Canada. And just got some information here. Lithium prices could race higher as demand outweighs supply. Electric vehicles are fueling the lithium boom. In fact, the element supplied by companies such as E3 Metals, Albemarle Corporation, Lithium Americas Corp. I've covered LAC before, and I have LAC, American Lithium Corp. And Piedmont. I just did a video on Piedmont over the weekend, is crucial for EV growth. In addition, according to Barron's, the global lithium industry produces less than 600,000 metric tons a year today. Demand is expected to hit 1.5 million tons by 2025. So that's almost threefold, almost 3 times as much. Even with the new lithium mining projects, increased supplies of the commodity don't seem likely to be an issue as long as people keep buying EVs. And there's quite a bit of information in this particular article. I'll try to link it in the description, or else you can find it here on Bay Street. But E3 Metals Corp is an emerging lithium developer and leading direct lithium extraction technology innovator, is pleased to provide a corporate update. Over the past 4 months, E3 Metals has seen significant progress toward its goal of becoming a lithium producer, including an aggregate total funding of $14.3 million through 3 capital raises. In November, E3 Metals released its first preliminary economic assessment outlining that an initial production of 20,000 tons per year has a potential value of $1.1 billion USD and $820 million USD after tax, including one of the lowest operating costs for battery quality. And so very high demand for lithium with all the EVs that are going to be in demand here in the near future. And there's quite a bit more information here, so feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Again, this is on Bay Street. And there's some more information. Oh, I thought there was more information there at the bottom, but stocks in play, E3 Metals Corp. This is dated on March 9th. Provided a corporate update. Over the past 4 months, E3 Metals has seen significant progress toward its goal of becoming a lithium producer, including an aggregate total funding of $14.3 million CAD through 3 capital raises. In November, E3 Metals released its preliminary economic assessment outlining that an initial production of 20,000 tons per year has a potential value of $1.1 billion. And this is kind of some of the same information that we already went over here. So feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. E3 Metals provides corporate update. This is also dated on the 9th. An emerging lithium developer and leading direct lithium extraction technology innovator is pleased to provide a corporate update. And again, this is kind of some of the same information. This is actually on Cision. So as an essential step to ensuring its resource longevity, starting with an understanding of the aquifer's natural geological characteristics, the long-term behavior and movement of the brine in the subsurface is modeled while leveraging the aquifer's key advantages. This will allow the company to select an optimal well network location. And so there's some information in here in regards to how the company engages with local industry professionals, testing facility. Feel free to pause and go over the information there for yourself. Zero carbon emission and projected milestones for 2021. And again, this kind of goes over about E3 Metals Corp. Back to Reddit, see if there's any juicy details that we can find here in the last couple days. A month, 4 days ago, provides corporate update. 1 month ago. It's an investor presentation. Stock twits. We will see E3 valuation increase more and more over the next. That doesn't make sense, but they own their license and technology outright, while Standard owns up to 40% of theirs. 30 currently, I believe. So a lot of people are bullish on a lot of the lithium stocks. I'm in them for the long term. This will be at least a 5 to 10 year play, because the more years that go by, the more people are going to be getting EVs, and so I just plan to buy as much as I can, dollar cost average into a couple different companies. Piedmont's a good one. I did a video on Piedmont. I think the ticker is PLL. Lithium Americas Corp is another one. Ticker is LAC. And then there's a couple penny stocks that I've done. I try to link each lithium video that I've done in the latest videos that I've done. I try to link all the websites in there, so you can, all the links, so you can pull up each video. Study maybe June, so another catalyst. They prove commercial viability. Should be a good year. 7th largest lithium resource in the world. That's all that I have for this one at this point in time. I'll keep researching this one, but you can see what it's kind of done here over the month, kind of like a lot of other things. Kind of ran down and then kind of coming back out of it. Here's what it's done the last week. Just been kind of up and down, trading kind of flat more or less, and this is what it's done over the last day. But again, this is E3 Metals Corp. If you have any of this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments. That would be interesting to know, as well as how many shares you have, and if you're into any other lithium companies, or if you want me to cover any other ones. I'm always looking for good lithium companies. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, as well as hitting that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green.